All right, I'm sharing information here concerning 1 Corinthians 11:14. So basically, the majority of the renderings concerning this verse are mistranslated. So I'm first going to start off with an incorrect rendering using a King James Strong's number. So let's get to it. It starts with the word doeth, and this is where the majority of the problems begin, with the very first word that is mistranslated. But let's read what they have. Doeth not even nature itself teach you that if a man have long hair, it is a shame on him. So it's pretty much coming off. It's shameful for a man to have long hair. So I have a corrected option here. And I marked out the word doeth because that should not be an option for a rendering. So let's go with the word or here. Here we go. Or not even nature itself teach you that if a man have long hair, it is a shame on him. So there it's telling you it's not shameful for a man to have long hair. Nature doesn't teach such a thing. Right? So here we go. I have another corrected option. And you can see here I'm slowly filling in the gaps here. I have indeed right there. So either way, I have the word neither because that's the majority of times the second rendering of the second word there is used. So let's read it in order. We have, here we go. Or neither nature itself teach you that if indeed a man have long hair, it is a shame on him. So again, nature does not teach that it's shameful for man to have long hair. All right. So I'm going to do a word for word using the Blue Letter Bible interlinear. I'm going to fill in those gaps. And all right, here we go. I'm going to go over and start with the red here, okay? I have, or neither for himself that things of nature teach you, that man indeed, if have long hair, a shame on him is. So let's do the one in the black right here, where I use not even here, okay? Start off, it says, or not even for himself, the things of nature teach you, that man indeed, if have long hair, a shame on him is. So again, nature doesn't teach that it's shameful for man to have long hair. There you go. This stuff will be in the bottom link below if you want to check out or print it out. Okay, I'm going to show how that first word here in the concordance is incorrectly rendered here, right? The word for doeth. So the majority of times it's translated as or, 260 times, right? And right here, I'm going to read it in context, okay? So when you're in context, it all flows. So I'm going to start with 1 Corinthians 11, verse 13 here. Here we go. Judging yourselves, is it comely that a woman pray unto God uncovered? Or neither for himself the things of nature teach you, that man indeed, if have long hair, a shame on him is. But if a woman have long hair, it is a glory to her, for her hair is given her for a covering. There you go. So you can see how it flows when you have going in order with or neither for himself things of nature teach you. All right. Right now I'm sharing some incorrect renderings, which the majority go by here. So here, I'm going to read a couple here. I'm going to read the first two. Here we go. Does not the very nature of things teach you that if a man has long hair, it is a disgrace to him? One more. Isn't it obvious that it's disgraceful for a man to have long hair? So the majority have it as it's shameful for a man to have long hair. But again, as I showed you earlier, the first word is where the problems begin. That is incorrectly translated and rendered as doeth. It's not doeth. So here we go. This is just repeat here what I said earlier. So when I share with you concerning the first two words, the word doeth should not be rendered here. It's translated 260 times of the word or. And the second word, majority of the time, it's the word neither. So I'll say it one more time here. Here we go with the word neither here. Right here it says, 1 Corinthians 11:14, it says, or neither for himself the things of nature teach you, that man indeed, if have long hair, a shame unto him is. So there you go. It's not shameful for a man to have long hair. And let me see what else I got here. All right, that's basically it. And thank you and shalom.